Hey, this is Fehrplay, and I'm so excited to present to you my masterclass with Audio Tent. During the 5.5-hour course, I'll show you how I create my productions from start to finish, exploring my creative process in melody writing, sound design, arrangement, mixing and mastering, and let you in on tips and tricks that I've picked up on through the years. We'll also share my own way of recording and incorporating outdoor sounds within electronic music. So whether you're a producer, an artist, or just like making music for fun, all the knowledge I have included in this class can benefit you in your own productions. The masterclass is available now through Audio Tent.